Okay, here's a helpful hint when you're installing a dishwasher underground or stone type countertops. What you're looking at here, I'm not going to take it out because I already put it in and I don't want to take it out. You can find another video on how to put on the bracket. So what these things here are holding your frame so you don't mess with those. This one here, this is so you can drill a hole through and use it to screw in screws. Alright, I'm going to show you. On this side, I had enough room. Most of the videos they'll tell you this is how you install your dishwasher. But on this side, since I have a different length on this side of the cabinet, you got a hole here. See, the seal is here, so you can use the holes on the side. You drill your hole through and then you screw your bracket. I don't think you can see in there, but I got my screw in there and it goes into the side of the cabinet. Some of the other videos I watch, they don't tell you anything about that, and it's kind of scary when you have to go and drill into your dishwasher, but you can see how it holds good. I can shake it. It's good to go. I don't have any countertops, so that'll provide some more weight since I have just the plain board on the side to the dishwasher. But I just thought I'd tell you guys out there trying to do it on your own, trying to save some money like me. So have a good day.